Welcome guys to a new video. This will be the first episode of Train Talk with AZ. For more details, join my Discord server. Now let's get right to it. Today I'll talk about Northen vs Transpennine Express. I'll have a point system. There will be different categories and the winner of the category will get 1 point. Then we'll see who gets the most points. So guys, enjoy. Before we can start, I'd like to say some things about the two train companies. So, Northen has local commuter services, Transpennine Express has regional services. Now, let's start comparing. First is comfort. Northen has good seats. They are comfortable and nice to sit on. Transpennine Express has more comfortable seats, like in first class, and they are better, so Transpennine Express wins. Second is train features. This includes toilets and other things. Now, Northen has good toilets that came in the 2016 refurbishment. And it is not boiling. Transpennine Express also had nice toilets and the refurbishment helped. Same with Northen, but Transpennine Express has first class and it is not boiling. The food is also nice, so it clearly wins. Third is staff. On Northen, it is really nice, same with Transpennine Express, but I can't decide which staff is better, so it is a tie. They will both get a point. Fourth is stations. Northen has good quality stations and have a lot of stations that they own. Transpennine Express also has good quality stations, but Northen has more stations, so it wins. Fifth is train quality. It is good on Northen. They are clean and the livery is nice. And they don't overcrowd. Transpennine Express have a nice livery, but overcrowding on a lot of 185 downrated. But the trains are clean, so I'll give the point to Northen. Sixth is price. Northen is really cheap. It can get you from Manchester Victoria to Leeds only for £15 for one person. But for Transpennine Express, it is £33, so Northen gets a point. The score is 4-3. This means Northen wins.